Divide any plot into equal areas in Civil 3D. EPL AutoLISP tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use the EPL AutoLISP to divide any closed plot into equal area parcels in just a few clicks. This tool is ideal for land subdivision, residential layouts and site planning. I share you EPL AutoLISP download link below this video in description box. Load the LISPs. First type upload and press enter. Browse to the EPL.LSP file and click load. Once it's loaded successfully, close the upload window. Run the command. Now type EPL on the command line. Press enter. The program will guide you through the required inputs. Select the plot. Select the closest polyline that represent your plot boundary. Make sure the boundary is completely closed before running the command. Select the scale. Press enter. Enter the number of plots. Enter the number of equal plots you want. I will divide the land into 5 equal area plots. Press enter to continue. Select if you want horizontal or vertical. Specify the division direction according to your layout. The LISP automatically calculate the cut location so that every resulting parcel has the same area. The original parcel has now been divided into equal area plots automatically. This saves significant time compared to the creating trial and error offset line and manually checking each area. If you found this tool helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Civil 3D and AutoCAD automation tutorials. If you have questions or suggestions for new LISP tools, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.